Good evening from Tanzania. I'm going to explain about the proposed machine for production of a charcoal and methane gas. This machine is intended to produce two sources of fuel, which is briquetted charcoal and methane gas at the same time. Our machine has five parts. The first part is this here. The first section is a motor, mixing motor. So it means the whole unit here is a mixing motor. The second part is modeling part, and the third part is traying part, and the fourth part is furnacing of this briquetted. And then the fifth is with the outlet where the metal, the charcoal briquetted are already made. I'm going to explain how the machine work. First, you take the rice husks plus dry grasses. They are heated here in this mixing motor. It means there is a motor that heats these materials, and then there is a certain section whereby this material, the burnt rice husks, are mixed up with a molding material. This is a cassava mixing material. This cassava acts as a binder. It is fixed with water. So when the mixture is ready, the material is released here to fill up to this something like plates or rovers. And then after there, the to ensure that these metals, to ensure that these levers are filled up, there are two alternatives so as to put them in a good shape. First of all, you can use manual hand, as you can see here. This manual hand, metal hand, it is placed here so as they stay in a good shape. Or sometimes, if you don't want to use a handle, a manual handle, you can just place this vibrator. The function of this vibrator is to make the shapes, to ensure the shapes of your mixture in a good shape. And then if you the shapes are in a good shapes, there are two alternatives. Either you press this button here. There's up and down button. What is the function of this up and down button? It means the down button is to take these materials or these molded shapes to the lower trays, and then after taking here to the lower trays, the charcoal are in these trays, as you can see, and they are made of a tray metal. And then after being deposited in a tray metal, you have to open here. But before taking this charcoal briquetted to the furnace, the furnace is reheated 2 hours so as to ensure the maximum temperature. And then after reheating these materials or these briquettes because I mean the materials or the briquettes needs to be dried. We have to take them to the furnace here. From here they stay under a certain some hours, and then from there, after drying here from this furnace, there are a certain outlet that releases this briquette in the metal, or is the receiving metal box. And from here we say that this briquette is ready for use. Why are we putting this briquette, charcoal briquette, in this metal box? As you know that the charcoal that is made up from these rice husks, it is very very hot, and it is very very hot that if you put in a material like a wooden or plastic, it may it may burn. So alternatively, we prefer to put this one so as to make them cool, and then from there they are ready for packaging, or they are ready for using. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for listening. If there's any question, you can ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you very much.